I want to ask you a very simple question and I want you to answer it simply here. Can you define AI? I mean, what is AI? Just think for a while. Just don't give me random answer like AI is everywhere, AI is the future. Just the one-liner answer. If you could answer it properly, then congratulations, obviously. But if you got puzzled or you got some random idea like robot or maybe bigger data centers or maybe just another software like ChatGPT or these chatbots. So if these images are coming in your mind, then we have to restart it from the very beginning. Like if we cannot define AI, mean, in a very simpler way, then how we can actually think of using it for our life, integrating with ourselves with AI or upskilling in AI, right? So the first thing or the first lesson is to define AI. Let me give you an example of how you can, why this definition or defining it is very important. Suppose if you have a gold bar, like around 1 kg. So what you do with that? As you know that, yeah, gold is precious metal. I can exchange it with any currency at any point of time and I can buy many goods. So you have a very clear-cut definition of gold. That's why you can use it. This is the first thing. AI is software that is designed to perform task. That is the one-liner definition of AI. Now you can think like, okay, what task AI will actually perform? Like what tasks? So this word task is very important because if you understand it, later on we can understand why this world is so getting crazy with AI. Okay, so AI is basically the software that is designed to perform tasks. Which task? That requires human intelligence. Suppose if you want to write a poem, you need little bit of intelligence, right? Or suppose you want to draft an email or you want to send an email to your boss that you are not coming to office tomorrow. So what you are going to do, you will like open your laptop, write that email to your boss, like context, like I'm sick, I don't want to come tomorrow, I will do the work later on. So you will do all of it by using your brain. But software that is doing this task for you without your intelligence, that is artificial. That's why we're calling it artificial intelligence. That means the task is being done. The email thing is absolutely done. You just say, okay, send this email to my boss. It will do it. It will draft the email and send it to your boss by its own intelligence. That intelligence is not natural. Like our intelligence is natural. But when a software is doing it, it is not natural, it is artificial, and it is doing by its developed or its trained intelligence, right? So that's the simple way of defining AI. That is not a robot, that is not data centers or bigger servers. It's the software that is designed to perform task. So now you may be thinking like, why this task is so important. See, so whenever a new updates are coming, if you look closely, those updates are basically completion of any task, right? Suppose you have maybe seen that OpenClaw, like people got crazy about OpenClaw. Why? Because it was doing task autonomously and way perfectly than some other chatbot. So people got crazy, they downloaded it and they use it. Then many other refined version of OpenClaw came in the market. But if you look at the core, that was always task completion, right? So if you look at any of the updates, any of the new things that are coming in the world of AI, you will always see that it is designed and the task completion is getting more and more easier. And that's the point where this job freeze and not hiring and layoffs are being done. Because if you see, just think about a simple idea. There is a white collar job person. His entire task is go to office, open laptop, look at sales receipts. Those are manual receipts. He get to laptop, he just write those entries manually to the Excel spreadsheet, then make reports on it and make a summary and send to his boss. Okay, so this is a task that is being done by a human. It requires human intelligence, otherwise, how it could be done? So you can see, just you ask yourself, can this task be automated or replaced by an AI? Answer is yes. And people are doing it. Just think about a CEO of a company, or you can think of yourself like a CEO. If you somehow realize that one of your department's entire task can be done by one subscription of any of the LLMs like OpenAI or Anthropic, what you will do? You will immediately shut down the entire department when you realize like everything is set it up, AI is doing things better, smarter and more efficiently. You don't need the people, and that's the reason of massive layoff you have seen in Oracle, you have seen in other big giant. The new hiring is not being done. Like, think about a fresher who just got graduated, but he's not getting into the job. And why it's happening? Because of this task completion is being more and more better day by day. So the entire AI is designed to perform tasks. How this intelligence got developed, that's a very big topic, like how AI got trained or how AI got so smart and how it getting smarter day by day. That's a very, huge topic to cover. But I wanted you to have a very simple definition, so that suppose you are at your dining table, you are with your colleagues, you are with your friends and family. If this question pop up, like what's this AI? Why people are getting so crazy? You should answer it like the way I just given you. You can simply say AI is the software. It is designed to perform tasks. Simple. That's it. If you can even say this much, people will understand more, and then you can, elaborate like me, like it doesn't require human intelligence. It's a design, develop intelligence, which is artificial. That's why we are like regular people. We are not those tech people or those tech engineers who always try to define things in very heavier language. So my job is to make things simpler. If you like this video and like the way I represent things, you can hit the subscribe button, and there is a Discord link down below in the comment section. I would request you to join my Discord channel, where I will be giving more updates and more deep divings will be there, and many amazing things will be there. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.